Okay, for any integer n greater or equal to 0, the integral from n to n plus 1 of some random function fx equals to n plus 1. Evaluate somehow, something, yeah, something weird. Okay, so what do we do? Now we realize that we can't directly apply the formula here, right? For example, like this is go from 0 to 3, right? I mean, if n was 0, then I'll go from 0 to 1, right? If 3 was on top, then 2 must have been below, right? Okay, so what's the, how can I fix this issue? Well, I could separate the integral, right? That's the key thing to the question. Okay, so how can I do this? Well, I could separate the first one like 0 to 1 plus 1 to 2 plus 2 to 3. Yeah, and we know what this integrates to. This integrates to 1 plus 2 plus 3, according to the rules. Yeah, okay, so now I think the question becomes straightforward, because the rest is the same. Yeah, the only thing you've got to pay attention to is these ones. Yeah, these ones have their boundaries flipped. Okay, so what could I do? How could I make this, well, I don't want to use the word normal, but you get what I mean. How do I make this more conventional, say? Well, you use a negative sign in front. Yeah, you could flip the boundaries by putting negatives in front. Same for the last one, minus 3 to 5 fx dx. Okay, so let's apply the same rules to all of them now. So first one, I told you 1 plus 2 plus 3. Second one, you tell me, what is it? Oh, 2 plus 3, yeah, 2 plus 3. Okay, third one is only 3 itself. Fourth one, now careful, there's negative here, yeah, so it'll be negative 4. Yeah, it's negative 4 because the integral evaluates to 4. Yeah, with the negative sign in front, you get a negative 4. Okay, last bit is negative 4 and then negative 5 as well. Yeah, negative 4 and then negative 5 as well. Yeah, because it includes from 3 to 5, right? So it includes 3 to 4 and then 4 to 5. Okay, let's evaluate all of this. 6 plus 5 plus 3 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5. What's that? I think that gives us 1, right? Because the positives are 14, the negatives are 13, so that gives us 1. Okay, so the answer would be C. There we go.